playing some good old Resident Evil again. Oh, look at that fucking asshole stalking me. What the f- yeah. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Oh, I gotta save that guy over there. Oh shit, my fault. Ah! Get some epic killing here. Lady, move out my way. Oh my god. Ready? 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 I'm gonna end this fucking guy. Just like that. Oh my, was that a double? Leon probably could have just like unlocked it from there, but oh, okay, never mind. Don't worry, Grace. You got more than one bullet now. Not only that, you got 5 in the chamber and more to come. Oh my god, why is she... Oh, I'm fucked. Oh, she's fucked. Oh, you're getting back up already. I missed that shot. Doesn't even finish her vocals. Didn't even give her a chance. 1, 2, 3. What? See, if I had my other gun, it wouldn't. This one scene would have never taken place. Well, I had my fun. It's just a show. Ugh. It's just too easy.